Namaste, welcome back to the online session. Today we are going to discuss about nth term of an AP. Okay, so let us consider an AP. Let A1, A2, A3, etc. be an AP. Here the first term A1 we can take it as A and the common difference B. Okay, first term we take it as A1 we write it as A and the common difference is D. Now what will be the second term? Then we can write it as A2 is equal to first term plus common difference, that is A1 plus D. A1 we take it as A, so A plus D. So A2 is equal to what? A plus D. Now the third term A3 is equal to second term plus common difference, that is second term A plus D plus common difference D, that is A plus 2D. And the fourth term is third term plus common difference, that is A plus 2D plus D, and it will be equal to A plus 3D. Okay, and so on. Now look at this pattern. Is there any relation between the position and the coefficient of D? Here the position is 2 and the coefficient is what? 1. And position is 3, coefficient is 2. Position is 4, coefficient is what? 3. That means the coefficient of D is 1 less than the position. Here the position is 4, 4 minus 1 is what? 3. Here the position is 3, 3 minus 1 is what? 2. Here the position is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so the coefficient of D is 1 less than its position. Okay, the coefficient of D is 1 less than its position. So what will be A10, 10th term? A10 is equal to what? A plus 1 less than position. Here 10, 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1 is what? 9. D. Okay, and what about A99? 99th term. 99 minus 1, position minus 1. 99 minus 1 is what? 98. So A plus 98 D and so on. Okay, so if we want to find the nth term, like second term, third term, fourth term, 10th term or 99th term, if the position is n, then what we can write? An. A plus, according to the rule, 1 less than its position. The coefficient of D is 1 less than its position. So like these examples, we can write A plus, here the position is n. So n minus 1, position minus 1, n minus 1 into D. Okay. So An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and this is called the nth term of an AP. Nth term of an arithmetic progression. So An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is called the nth term of an AP. It's a very important formula that we have to by heart. Okay, and nth term of an AP is sometimes called a general term. It is also called a general term of an AP. And one more thing is, if an AP consists of m numbers or m elements, then am will be the last term. Okay, if there are 50 numbers, then 50th term will be the last term. Similarly, if there are m numbers or m terms in an AP, then am will be the last term, and that situation we denote it by L. So the last term is also denoted by the letter L. Okay, you understood?